I am Dr. Mahendranath Khareja, working as a Secretary, Council of Sex Education, Parental Road International India. I am a life member in this association from more than 25 years, as well as a fellow member. I am working for this association. This is a very good association in India. This is also one of the biggest association. We do annual conference and sometimes we do the journal conference. We educate our doctors in this because this is the subject which was not dealt in medical college when we were students, and still it is not in the curriculum activities of the medical sciences. So in these conferences we used to learn from each other and from the international speakers. Nowadays there are so many good journals of sexology is available. We becomes update. We have got our news and views which comes quarterly, comes after every 3 months. We get educated ourselves. We have got an office secretary at Alwar.
Do you have any plans for common people in Maharashtra?
We are planning to have school education, that is especially for adolescents education. We will go to the government for this to educate the peoples. We will give the right education to the younger people so that they will not learn the pornography films and all other wrong information, myths and misconceptions from other areas.
Do you have any programs for the teachers?
Yes, we do have got the program from the Family Planning of India. We are going to start teachers program so that a teacher can teach this sex education to their children.
Do you have any representative region-wise?
Yes, we have got representative. We have got a one chairman, one secretary, one joint secretary, one treasurer. We have got 13 executive members. We have got a different coordinator, that is north, south, east, west and central coordinator. They will coordinate in that area.
Do you have any program for non-students, like who are not going in educational system and who are poor or who are not educated or whatever?
We will try to have nukkad functions for those persons. Nukkad functions.
Okay. And do you have any programs for the doctors, medical faculty?
For the medical faculty, we are yearly running the conference.
Right. But any other program?
And we do we have got a journal conference, midterm conference. There we educate our doctors.
Do you any other novel thing you want to promote? Any other new thing you want to promote?
We are here to all type of the new drugs and new literature, new researches which are going on from time to time, because this is a neuroscience in our medical sciences.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.